Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create financial reports in Xero. Financial reports are the backbone of business accounting because they transform day-to-day transactions into a clear picture of how a business is actually performing. In Xero, financial reports allow you to monitor profits, expenses, assets, liabilities, and overall financial health. But many users open reports without really understanding what the numbers are telling them. Financial reports are structured summaries of your accounting data. They turn bookkeeping data into business intelligence. Start by logging into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, you'll access the reporting section. Click Reporting, then under it click All Reports. This gives you access to the full library of reports available inside Xero. Scroll to the Financial Statements section. What financial statements are? Financial statements are formal accounting reports summarizing the financial condition and performance of a business. From the Financial Statements section, the two main reports you want are Balance Sheet, Profit and Loss. Start by opening Balance Sheet. The balance sheet summarizes the company's assets, liabilities, equity at a specific point in time. The balance sheet follows the formula assets equals liabilities plus equity. This is one of the core foundations of accounting. Now customize the date for the balance sheet. Unlike profit and loss, the balance sheet shows financial position at a single moment in time. Now go back and open Profit and Loss. The Profit and Loss report, also called the income statement, shows revenue earned, expenses incurred, net profit or loss over a selected time period. The Profit and Loss report measures performance over time, not the company's overall financial position. Now adjust the date range to the period you want to analyze. A business may be profitable this year, but unprofitable last quarter, so dates dramatically affect financial interpretation. To summarize, creating financial reports in Xero begins by logging into your account and navigating to Reporting, then All Reports. From the Financial Statement section, the two main reports commonly used are the Profit and Loss report and the Balance Sheet report. Opening the Profit and Loss report allows you to analyze business revenue, expenses, and profitability over a selected period, while the Balance Sheet report shows the company's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. By changing the report dates, you can customize the financial period being analyzed and generate reports tailored to your business needs. These reports help businesses monitor financial performance and understand their overall financial health. And that's how to create financial reports in Xero. The important thing isn't just generating reports, it's learning how to read the story those numbers are telling about the business. That's where accounting becomes strategy instead of just bookkeeping. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.